Okay guys, welcome today. How you doing? Wow, how is the day going? So today we're going to learn a very simple concept we call what perspective. So we're going to make use of perspective to do this our job we have in front of us right now. So first thing you're going to do first, go to your text tool, click on your text tool, then you type onward. Okay. So once you've done that, change the text to capital letter. Okay. So once you've done that, now what we're going to do now, we're going to choose a font size, but let's make it a little bit big, dragging it. Then change the font size. Let's say font family. Let's say Frantic Gothic. Okay, Frantic Gothic is okay. Okay, good. So once you've gotten your text to this point, next we're going to do what, find what the perspective and apply it to our work. So we go to under clicking on your word, go to under effect, you will see what you call add perspective. I seen that. Yes, so we click on it. Once you click on it, you come to your shape, adjust this one up like this. Yes, you see that now? They bring this one down. Wow. So perspective allow you to manipulate your shape in any order you want, but give it a perspective kind of what look. So once you've done this one, what you're going to do next is what you're going to what click on your pick tool here. Now we have achieved this. Then I want to give it a color like a yellow color. Okay, so once you've done that, let's give it an outline of black. So remind you, right click on your mouse, we give you what will control your outlines, while left click control your what your shape fields. Okay, then what you're going to do now is right click on this black. Good. You see outline? Do you see the outline? Yeah, you see the outline, right? The black outline. Okay, so now let us make this outline thicker. So we're going to click on this spot here, click it twice. Clicking it twice, now we're going to choose from my hairline, we're going to choose, let's say 4.0, leave it color black. Then you can leave this one this way, but make sure you check this too. Okay, very important. Then click OK. Wow, something very nice. Then looking back at our work, you see the work is what dotted. So what we have to what dot this. So go back to your outline setting here, click it twice, then go to style. Under style, click this. Okay, you can choose any of the setting you like, but I think I like this. Then click OK. Then click OK from there. Wow, you see this one. Now let's go and reduce the font size. I think the font size, the line size is very big, so click on it 2 times. Okay, let's choose and let's say 2 is okay. Okay, better, fine. Then because this is yellow, let's convert, let's change it back to white. So click, you see now. Wow, you see we already have what to have here. Now how do we do this outline here? Very simple. Pick a rectangle tool, drag over it. Okay, then once you've done that, now go to your shape tool, click on your shape tool, then see your shape. Now you have to Ctrl Q. Okay, then bring this one down. Nice. Then bring this one up. Okay, perfect. Then highlight it, then bring this one to this place. Good. Do you see that now? My good friends, this is how you want to create a shape. Like now this outline is thick, so you have to come down here, selecting your rectangle tool, click here 2 times. Then what you can increase the outline. Let's say 4. It's too much. Let's go back. Let's say 2. Let's choose 2. Okay. Wow, this is nice. So my good friends, this is how you what achieve perspective. Make use of it, apply it to your work. Do have a nice time. I see my your boy Goodness giving updates on how to what become a good graphic designer. Bye bye.